Ameen. Today is 18 May, Somaliland Independence Day, and also guys, we're having a tour cultural small heave, and yes, mashallah, minkum. We have our community back, and again we're in gorgeous Sabshi, as you can see it. Mashallah, I want to tell it now. May Allah makes our country, everyone's Somaliland again from each other, everything. As you can see, I hope you can hear my voice right now. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah, just join and bless them all. And yes, sorry guys, the camera is fine. It's everything, you can hear me, how to hear me. MashaAllah. And yeah, I know I got a selfie stick, but I might have another selfie stick because it's not showing up. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm just going to cross over the road and yeah, it's good. I need to show the camera where we're going. We got everyone here, our sisters brotherhood, and mashallah. Oh, this one's even better than I thought it'd be. You can see them, man. Yeah, our brothers and sisters, etc. The cars, Somaliland Independence Day teammates today. We got our brotherhood. Yes. We're gonna go showcase around. Abdul Kareem, Rami. My brothers, Abdul Kareem, Salam, Rami, Abdul Kareem, Faisal, Salam, peace, love, Namagalio. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, cultural back today, it's Sunday as well. May Allah guide us all and guide us. I'll see my uncle right off Awais. Let's see what they have to say. Now, what a blessed day today is. Yes. This is the way we should live in peace and love and harmony, and yeah. Let me show my face. What I was saying was that we want united the whole community and stay steadfast in everything and good and well. MashaAllah, minkum, and let's take it from there. MashaAllah, I miss my boy. Shout out to Abdullah Ali, you know, I miss amazing right now, and Argin with his family. There's still the hype is going on. Yes, you can see that. I'm a bit lost with words because I'm surprised how many people are coming and gather around. Yeah. Okay, mashallah. That was the highlight of this. Mashallah. I know I need to say more words than this. If this is more words than enough. I love this camera, you know. This is the new phone, so it's something that Well guys, I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe for Moses, aka Mohammed Ameen. That's my actual name, but Moses is the YouTube channel name. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Remember, if you're gonna do it like a boss. Peace and love. Until the next one. Later. And when remember, you're gonna do like a boss. Peace out into the next one later.